Welcome back, everybody. Tonight we're going to be using the Ninja Possible Cooker again. Yes, we're stuck on the Possible Cooker right now. We are going to do this whole piece of pork, and now I forgot the name of it. Hold on, let me pick through the trash here. I do know how much it weighs. It's a pork sirloin roast bone-in. Whoopsies. And it weighs about 4.37 pounds. We're also going to be we're going to chop up an onion. Not sure, maybe we'll do a half an onion, and I'm going to do 2 carrots in the bottom. I'm also going to be using chicken stock, probably anywhere from between 2 to 4 cups, because we're going to be braising this. And seasoning is going to be simple. It's going to be Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic. That's all we're doing. And then we're going to cheat at the end. I do have this pork gravy packet. So we're going to slice this pork off and serve it with gravy. All right, everybody, so what we're going to do, we're going to coat this in the seasoning, and I put it in a sheet pan to just catch the excess. Now we're going to flip it on its side. You want to do all sides with the seasoning. Whoa. And it also has a nice thick fat cap on it too. But we're going to leave that on. Oops, a little thick there. I think that's good. So I'm going to take that. I actually cut up that whole onion into sizable pieces because it's going to braise anywhere from like an hour to 2 hours. So I don't want it to fall apart. I just want to be able to slice the meat. And we have that chicken stock that I'm using Better Than Bouillon. You can use whatever chicken stock or whatever you have in the house. All right. So I'm adding about, it's about 3 cups. And as you can see, it really didn't mix up that good. There we go. And last but not least, we're going to take that meat, and I'm just going to set this meat right on top of that onion. All right, so your Ninja Possible Cooker is on. We're going to turn it over to braise. Now this says 6 hours. We're going to drop the time down. I'm going to set it to 2, but I don't see it even cooking for 2 hours. I haven't done this before, so we're learning together here. And we're just going to go ahead and hit start. Now, you want to keep track of this. You want to keep track of how much liquid is in there, because this will come up to a boil, and it does evaporate. So if you want to add just plain water, you can, or like I did, you can add chicken stock. All right, so I'm going to keep track of it. If I notice it's getting down, I will show you that I do add more stock. Okay, everybody, so it's been braising for about 1 hour. I'm going to take the lid off. Please be careful because it's going to drip hot water and steam. And we're just checking to see how much liquid is in here. So there's a lot of liquid. We're going to let that go. And I am just going to do a quick temp right in the center. Whoa. All right. It's 86 degrees. So we might be going over that 2 hour mark. But we'll come back in an hour and check it again. So there's 16 minutes left on the clock. I'm just going to go ahead. I just want to take a quick temp. There's enough liquid in here. Right, that says 137. 140. All right, so I'm going to have to increase the time. I'm going to tack on another hour. We have about 25 minutes left, and we're going to do a temp on it. We still have lots of liquid in there. So it must be from the veg and the meat. All right, 172. 2.5 hours. So what I'm going to do is take the meat out, and I'm going to tent it with some foil. But then I'm going to pour off the liquid, and I'm going to try to make gravy. So what I'm going to do is turn the sear saute on. We're going to turn it, and I'm going to hit start. It's going to start on high. We're just warming this up because we're going to pour the drippings, and we're going to take this pork packet, and we're going to make some gravy with it. I'm going to go ahead and pour that in because it said to put that in first. All right. We're just going to add this and stir. Oh, Jesus, I'm getting it everywhere. All right, we'll get it done. So add like a cup of the drippings, which is about that much. Let's put this over here. Nice. There we go. And reserve the rest, just in case if you want to make more gravy. Just whisking this. All right, so this is just about ready. And I'm going to slice some of the meat and we're going to do that taste test. All right, everybody, time for that taste test. Ow, it's hot. We made some gravy. We used the cheat, though. Silverware. Here's what it looks like. So you can eat it plain, or what you can do, you can actually broil the top so the fat gets like a nice caramelization on it. Here's what it looks like cut into it. And here is the pork with the gravy on top. So we're going to do a taste test. Yeah, I give this a thumbs up. This is the gravy, the McCormick cheat, the pack. Yeah. This is awesome. This is really, really good. Would I make this again? Yes, and I'm not that big of a pork eater, but this is really good. And I know it just made the meat in there, but you could do some sides elsewhere, or you probably could add some veg to the braising liquid, like maybe some potatoes or carrots, something like that. Maybe in the future I'll try that, but this, yeah, this is really good. So thanks everybody for watching, and see you in the next one. Take care.